Hi guys. So last night was bananas. We have a neighborhood cat that we call Silver. She comes by and she'll have a snack. If it's very cold, she'll ask. If it's very cold, she'll want to stay in. She doesn't mind Lina. She doesn't mind any of the other cats. Like, everybody gets along. She's just kind of become a +1. She kind of adopted us, which is weird. But this is the second time that she's done this. She decided that she wanted to gift us with a bird. The last time it was a little baby, it did not make it. This time she brought April a bird at 1:45 in the morning. I could hear April ticking and I was just kind of listening to the rhythm. Then I heard the back door open. I was like, well, that's weird. I guess maybe Silver's here. And then I heard commotion and I heard doors opening and closing. I was just like, let me just go check and see what's going on. I get to our door and April's right there. She was in the process of knocking. And she says, Silver killed another bird. And it's on the back porch. I put Silver in the bathroom. I don't know what to do. So we talked about it. I explained that this is kind of what cats do sometimes. Our cats have never done this, but they're also couch potatoes. I promised her that we could bury the bird in the backyard once we woke up. But my hands were pretty tied at, 2 o'clock in the morning. But whenever I went to pick it up, it started jumping around. Now, there was a fair amount of blood on the back porch. I went and got one of our pet carriers from the garage and a towel. And we chased this little thing. April was using the flashlight on my phone. We were both in our PJs, barefoot in the middle of the night, chasing around this little bird so that we could at least give it a safe place to rest. You could tell that it was injured. So we caught the bird. I got it tucked away safely in the garage, and I explained to April that if he survived the night, we could release him into the woods because he would have a better chance there, because it's a pretty thick brush back there. So this morning I go to check on him and he's doing great. He's standing up, he's using both of his legs. He's not happy, but he's doing okay. The next part that you're gonna see is us releasing the little bird. It was a fledgling. It was just a small gray bird, and April will explain that a little bit later too.
I heard like really loud meowing, and then I like took out my earbuds because I had been watching YouTube.
Yeah.
And I heard, and I was like, what the heck? And so I opened the door, and there's this small bird just laying there motionless, and I'm like, huh? And so I like darted to your room.
Yeah.
And we were able to get him into there.
I know you were really worried at first.
Yeah.
But we did what we could, right? At 2 o'clock in the morning. Running around barefoot in our PJs in the middle of the night. Well, trying to catch a bird. Trying to catch a bird.
Ooh, spitters.
Okay, little guy. Oh no, where is he? Oh, there he is. Hi, little one. Hi, baby. You come out? Please and thank you. Yeah, okay. Hi. Come out.
He's like, no, it's safe in here.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
He's currently just hopping around.
Good job. Okay. So he's doing exactly what he needs to do. He's doing exactly what he needs to do, which is find cover and like find somewhere to be. So this is kind of what fledglings do once they leave the nest.
Hello. We just let the bird go. He went and found cover. He was loud. Very, very loud. He can't fly, but he can kind of hop around. So that's good. He at least is mobile, so he's not just... I know this sounds really cliche, but a sitting duck.
Well, but he's also in some nice thick brush.
Yeah.
So he has like safety in that.
The funny thing is Silver is a gray cat. We think it was a gray cat bird.
We looked it up and it was a what?
A gray cat bird. So we had a gray cat bring us a gray cat bird. Universe, why? It's not funny.
It is kind of.
When you think about it, it is kind of funny. However, when it's 2 in the morning and you are just trying to settle in for the night and then all of a sudden there is a small little bundle of feathers on your porch, it's not so funny. But he went and found some cover, so we wish him luck.
Yeah. Hey, do you want to go hot topic?
Yes!
Right. We we are here at the Orange Park Mall. We have to go pick up some gloves because her gloves got a hole. Even though she stitched it, we're gonna go get her a replacement pair. We came through Books A Million and April found Harry Potter stuff, so we got a little delayed.
This is way too...
I don't know that it's necessarily managed with our family. April needs this.
Yes.
I don't go looking for trouble.
First of
Trouble
all,
usually finds me.
I don't do scrunchies, but there's Hufflepuff. So,
Yeah.
Hufflepuff pride.
There's Hufflepuff.
What?
April has trouble finding Hufflepuff stuff.
Hufflepuff journal. That's
Oh, that's cute.
heckin' high.
I like it. April likes the Death Eater mask.
Just because I'm a Hufflepuff doesn't mean I can't appreciate the dark.
Okay. We have
Yes.
bottles of butterbeer down here.
Yes.
I love it. April, Harry Potter origami. Who do we know that does origami?
Liana.
Liana does origami?
Yeah.
Okay.
She once made a dragon. She's
Okay.
made cranes, dragons, all sorts, hearts. She's made all sorts of stuff.
Gotcha. Calling all witches. And so she persisted.
Joy.
Congratulations. She's home. Do you remember when we came in just after Christmas?
Yeah.
And I told you patience is a virtue?
Yeah.
Because we just needed to give them time. The store is full. It's nice and full.
Dishonor on you, dishonor on your
What-
family, dishonor on your cow.
I love all of this.
Yeah. The Mushu.
I love Mushu.
Yes.
He's such a sass. Here, a touchy.
No.
Right, we are back in Books a
My
Million.
weekend is all booked.
That is pretty cute. We need a quill now for writing. Okay. Socks. April. These are utterly adorable. Where are you going? April. These are pretty corny.
I'm going to the conspiracy.
April. These are pretty fly. Where are you going? Aw, she left me. I guess she doesn't want to talk about it. Hey, April. Is there anything you want to talk about? I'm all ears.
This is why I don't bring you in public.
This is purely for my own entertainment.
I love this. I used to watch this as a kid.
Yeah, as a kid.
I am not a kid. I am almost a teenager, thank you very much.
Just a few more months.
Yes.
I was waiting for you to see that.
Yes.
It's so plushy.
Hi, what are you?
It's a fuzzy.
Yes. Legit never seen this.
My little emo is all excited about a rainbow fuzzy. That's very true. I'm just saying, it makes my heart happy.
No.
Yes. April, did you have a good morning?
Yeah.
Yeah. We rescued a little bird.
Yeah.
We got to walk around the mall a little bit.
Yeah.
Now you're just playing Minecraft?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm working on a Minecraft system for travel so that I can like bring resources back and forth and travel faster.
Okay.
It's like a train system, but with Minecrafts.
I love it. Goober. Logan wants to tell you that he named the little bird.
I named them Brandon,
Mm-hmm.
which I find ironic because I was watching Brandon Ferris when I found him. And I just thought of his whole name too.
Mm-hmm.
Like a full name, Brandon Fedvis. So Ferris, and the Fed stands for feather,
Yeah,
since he's a bird.
I like it.
All
All right. Well, thanks for coming along and hanging out with us. We love having you guys on this adventure with us.
Putting up with our shenanigans.
There's always shenanigans.
Yep.
Until next time, love, hugs, and belly rubs. Bye.
Bye.